So yeah, my people, this is Eoan Business Consultant, as we say always. We are Eoan Business Consultant worldwide. Our mission, our goal is to bring an end to poverty problem in Africa. We are going to create as many as entrepreneurs we can. As many as. More entrepreneurs, more job creation. That is our goal. Our purpose is because of our people are dying in hunger. We don't have any option than this Eoan Business Consultant, and it's based on Igbo business philosophy. For example, if you are an actor or let me say celebrity, you are getting money on Facebook or from entertainment or from any advert, anywhere, ask yourself, nothing stays forever. You must inject your money somewhere. I see our people shouting about buying a land. Look, in life there are three ways of investment. One, there is business investment. Two, there is banking investment. And three, there is stock investment. Stock investment is a landing property. It takes a time to grow a land. First investment is business investment. First, you don't have to inject your money in a land while you don't have anything doing. If you are a star, your future is here. Eoan Business Consultant is for you. We are going to organize your money into business for you. If you were a celebrity, out of school, anything, as long as you want to start a business, this is your place. Why? Because we're saying this because you have been learning from those people you think they don't like you so much. Those people you think they don't like you so much, there is no how they will give you a way for you to better than them. It doesn't work. You must design a way for yourself. That is why we design this our way of business trading. This is African way of trade and commerce. Since ever we left our root, how market? Ever since we abandoned everything that we have, how market? One way step forward, 10 way backwards. One way forward and 10 way backwards. It's time to follow the track. Eoan Business Consultant is founded on Igbo business philosophy. It's about fortune, success, progress, happiness, and the joy. This is 5 fingers, and this is what we promise.